Now we are going to discuss question number 6.26, and in this question it is given to you a 1 kilogram block situated on a rough incline is connected to a spring constant 100 Newton per meter as shown in a figure. Fine. The block is released from rest with spring in unstretched position and the block move 10 cm down the inclined plane before coming to rest. Clear? So now let us try to understand this situation. Actually, what is given in a question, if you understand the question, then this question is very easy for you. A 1 kilogram block is given. This is placed on a rough inclined plane. Inclination angle is given 37 degree and it is also given value of K given 100 Newton per meter. Fine. The block is released from rest. Clear? Block is released from rest. That's fine. With spring is unstretched position. When spring is unstretched position, the block move 10 cm down the inclined plane before coming to rest. Always remember, whenever we are actually releasing a block and that block is connected to a spring and that block is coming to rest, it means I can say at the time this block is at its extreme position. Yes or no? Clear? So when this block is at extreme position, at the time we can say velocity is 0 but acceleration is maximum. Okay. So now we can say we have to find coefficient of friction between block and inclined plane. First let us try to understand forces acting on this block. I can say here one force is acting mg, you know very well. Clear? Here we can say this angle we have theta. So I can say this is mg cos 37 and I can say this is mg sine of 37. Clear to everyone? This is mg sine 37. Clear? From here we can say here we have reaction, that is R, and we can say this is friction, that is F. So this is value of friction F. Clear? Now we can say in this question we have R. This R is equal to mg cos of 37. Clear? Mg cos of 37. Clear? And we can say how can we write value of friction? Friction can be written like this. This is mu times of n. Clear? Mu. Value of n, or we can say normal reaction. Clear? You can also write like this. This is capital N. Clear? So I can say this can be written like this is mg cos of 37. Clear? So if I write here what is net force acting in a downward direction. Clear? So net force I can say this mg sine 37 is acting in downward direction and friction force is acting in upward direction. So mg sine 37 minus I can say mu mg cos of 37. Clear? So from here I can say I am taking mg common. Clear? This is sine 37 minus mu cos of 37. Clear everyone? So from here we can say this is net force. Clear? Now important part is here, our objective here is to calculate coefficient of friction. Clear? Now important concept we have, let's suppose I am assuming this block is moving at a distance x. Clear? And x is a distance from the position where we are releasing this block as well as the maximum extreme or extreme position up to which this block is going. Clear? So we can say what is work done by the net force. Can we write here? Yes. So we can write like this: net work done. This net work done, net work is to be done by this net force. This is actually stored as a potential energy of that spring. Clear? This is a concept. And you know here actually we can say the friction force is acting. Clear? So how can we write here net work done? Net work done I can say this is equal to mg sine of 37 minus mu cos of 37. Clear? And we can say this is net force, and let's suppose total distance covered is x, and I can say this is equal to 1 by k x square. Clear? From here you can say x and x is cancelled out. Clear? Now I can say value of m. Value of m we have 1 and g value I am taking 10. So 10 sine 37. Clear? So we know one triangle, right angle triangle. This angle is, let's suppose 37. Clear? So I can say this is 3, 4 and 5. Clear? So sine 37. Sine 37 we have, that is 3 by 5 minus mu. Cos 37 we have 4 by 5 and this is equal to 1 by 2. Value of k we have 100 and this is x. Clear? from here we can say this one and this one cancelled out, we can say this one we have 5. So value of x, I can say this is equal to 3 minus 4 mu divided by 5. Clear? This is value of x, and we can say this is divided by 1 by 5. Clear? It is given here that this block moved 10 centimeter down. So I can say this is equal to 0.1. Clear? So from here you can write like this, 3 minus 4 times of mu, this is equal to 25 multiplied 0.1. So I can say this is 2.5. Clear? So I can say this is 4 mu and this is 3 minus 2.5. Clear? So from here we can say value of mu. Value of mu, this is given by 0.5 divided by 4, and I can say 0.1, and we can say here we have 5. So we can say here coefficient of friction we are getting 0.125. Clear? So this is all about this question.